This video shows how to install the baby seat. The toddler seat is installed in the same way. These are the parts included in the packaging of your baby seat or toddler seat. 2 plates, 2 buckles, 2 easy lock clips, 1 easy lock seat belt, 2 adjusting knobs, 2 bolts and 1 velcro strip. A drill with a 6mm wood drill bit is also required. A ruler of tape measure, a pencil, a Phillips screwdriver and an open-ended spanner size 10. Preparing the cargo bike. We recommend installing the seat on the handlebar side, as the back panel is the highest on that side. If you own a Babboe Curve or a Babboe City, drill a hole exactly between the 2 belt slots. Undo the supplied seat belts at the side where you will be installing the baby seat or toddler seat. You could also use one of the small belt slots, however the seat will not be positioned straight in one spot on the bench. Drill a hole exactly between the 2 seat belt slots. If you own a Babboe Big, drill a hole about 7 cm from the top edge and 14 cm from the side, measured on the inside of the box. Installing the seat belts. First attach the seat belts to the baby seat or toddler seat. Hold the belts at one end and feed them through the easy lock clip. Make sure both ends are of equal length. Now feed both ends of the belt through the baby seat until approximately 7 cm from the end. Turn over the baby seat and feed both ends through the plates. Both plates have a wide and narrow slot. The narrow slot should be at the bottom. Now insert the belts from back to front through the opening. Choose either the higher or lower opening, depending on the height of the child. If everything is installed correctly, the 2 plates should be at the height of the 2 recesses. Now insert the belts through the buckles first, and then through the easy lock clips. Adjust the length of the seat belts by feeding them through the buckles. The belts will be adjusted again at a later point in this instruction. Installing the baby seat or toddler seat. Insert a bolt through the bottom plate and then insert it through the hole of the bottom bench. Install the adjusting knob, but do not tighten it all the way. Now turn the baby seat in the right direction. Now insert the second bolt in the hole of the velcro strip and then through the second plate. Hold the nut in place with your finger and then insert the bolt through the hole in the back panel of the box. Tighten with the adjusting knob. Pull the fabric from the top of the baby seat down and pull the velcro strip through the top seat belt opening. It is okay if the seat belt itself is also pulled through this opening at this point. Now attach the velcro strips to each other. Adjust the belts at the correct length and tighten both adjusting knobs. The baby seat or toddler seat should be able to move. Only when your child sits in it do the belts tighten the seat as a whole to the cargo bike. The toddler seat is installed in the same way. Great! Well done!